Both some and any mean either some unspecified thing or a person, or some unspecified amount. The difference between them is that we use some in positive sentences and we use any in questions and negative sentences. That's what you would normally read in a grammar book. However, there are lots of cases when we use any in positive sentences, some in questions, and negative sentences. Stay tuned and I'll explain to you how and when to use some, any, and none. Okay, first off, let's learn the derivatives of some and any. Somebody, anybody, meaning some person. Someone, anyone. They also mean some person. Somewhere, anywhere, meaning some place. Something, anything, meaning some object. Somehow, anyhow, meaning in some way. From now on, when I say about some and any, I mean all derivatives. When do we use some and its derivatives? A. We use it in positive sentences to show an unspecified thing or a person, or to show an unspecified amount. For example, there is some man waiting for you in the hall. Some man, an unspecified man. She doesn't know exactly who is waiting for him. Some man. I need some money to order pizza. Some money. Unspecific amount of money. We don't know how much exactly. Some money. We also use some when we offer or ask for something. For example, would you like some coffee with your dessert? Or, can I have some wine, please? We use some when asking for something or offering something. We usually use any in direct questions and in negative sentences. What is a direct question? It's a simple question with one subject. For example, do you eat anything in the morning? Do you have anything to say? So, we use any in direct questions, except when the question is actually a request, or we are offering someone help. That's when we use some. And unless we are clearly expecting a positive answer, in which case we also use some. In other cases, we use any. Do you have any water? It's a direct question. Can I have some water? It's a request. Would you like some water? It's an offer. We are making an offer. Can you tell me something interesting about your life? Here, we expect a positive response. Although we can't be 100% sure that the response will actually be positive. But anyway, we use some when we are expecting a positive response. Is there anything interesting playing at the movie theater tonight? Direct, simple, open question with one subject. Can you buy me some popcorn? I'll pay you back tomorrow. Sometimes we use any in positive sentences, and it means whatever or whoever. For example, if you buy anything at our store, you will get 35% off for the next purchase. Meaning, whatever you buy, even the smallest thing, even the cheapest thing, anything at all, you will get 35% off. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. Anything you say means whatever you say. Even if you say just a word, anything at all, it will be used against you in the court of law. Remember, if we use any in a negative sentence, we mean zero of something. If we use some in a negative sentence, it means a small amount of something. For example, I haven't eaten anything since 5 a.m. I haven't eaten anything. Anything means zero food. Zero. No food. I haven't eaten anything. I have eaten zero food. She didn't tell me anything about her ex-husband. Means she told me zero information about her husband. She didn't tell me anything about her husband. He didn't correct some mistakes. Here we have some, not any. It means a small amount. He didn't correct a small amount of mistakes. Most mistakes were corrected. Some of them weren't. He didn't correct some mistakes. Did you pack everything? No, I didn't pack some of the stuff we won't need anyway. I didn't pack some stuff. It means she packed most of the stuff, but she left some of the stuff behind. She didn't pack some of the stuff. If she said, I didn't pack any of the stuff, it would mean that she left all the things at home. It would mean that she packed zero things. I didn't pack some stuff means that she didn't pack some part of the stuff. Most of it she packed. Another way to use negative to show zero of something is to use no instead of any. But do remember that we can't use two negative words at the same time. No is a negative word. Any isn't a negative word. For example, there is no milk in the fridge, meaning there isn't any milk in the fridge. There is no milk equals there isn't any milk. She didn't eat anything before leaving for work. Or we can say, she ate nothing before going to work. It's the same. None means not a single one. We use it instead of any at the beginning of the sentence when the sentence is negative. For example, I bought several tomatoes. None of them were fresh. Meaning, not a single one of them was fresh. None of them were fresh. None of the teachers in my school are good at their job. None of the teachers, meaning not a single one of the teachers in my school. None of the teachers in my school are good at their job. Okay, if you're ready, let's have a test. Could you give me some help with my suitcases? Because it is our request for help. Did you have anything to eat before you left? For some reason, my internet connection was down all day yesterday. Would you like some coffee or tea? Sorry, I can't be here talking to you. I've got to be somewhere else in 30 minutes. Anywhere he looked, he couldn't find any sign of his car. None of my complaints were taken care of. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next episode.